Okay, from Blackboard, in order to access Aleks, you have with the course menu, you click on Aleks, and then you have the McGraw-Hill campus screen to show up. And so just click on the McGraw-Hill campus, click on that link, and you should see an image of the textbook. And to cross over to the next stage, we're using Aleks. So you click on that. Never click on Connect. And you have this presentation just giving you an introductory sampling of what Aleks is all about. And you have these icons or guided pathways to follow. Just click on Next. This indicates the main menu, notifications, suggestions what to do next, and you have the introductory part of the tutorial. And this is just a lowdown of what you'll be looking into regarding how to use the calculator and how to use the online pencil and ruler whenever doing online graphs. I'm just going to skip the tutorial, and once you get through, it'll say congratulations, whatever your name is, you completed the tools tutorial. And after the tools tutorial, you're going to go over to the initial knowledge check, and this is a sampling of about 30 questions or so, and you're not graded on this, but it's just a bit of a diagnostic test. And about 110 topics. And say if you start the knowledge check, you'll go through an array of questions, some easier than others, not necessarily starting from the easiest problem necessarily, just a bit of a mixed bag of problems. And again, you'll be going through about 30 questions. And again, this is just a diagnostic. This will not count for a grade. So if the problems seem a bit intimidating or overwhelming for some of them, do not worry. Again, you're just, this is a gradual process. And I'm going to skip the initial knowledge check from my end, since I am the instructor. And if you have a complete mastery, it gives you your score. And you have various sections of the pie, like this one is in reference to exponential logarithmic functions. This in blue is in reference to systems of equations and matrices. And this big orange slice is in reference to graphs and functions. And in terms of what we have here for the main menu, okay, where it has assignments, this will be how you're going to access your homework. Okay, and you have Aleks homework sections R1 through R4. Again, you have the details. Okay, like we have an unlimited number of attempts, and the first assignment is going to have 11 questions. And grading policy is the best score, and you have technically unlimited attempts, but technically you can only take as late as the deadline allows. And just a sampling of the questions for starters. You can have graphing on a number line. And if you want to skip to the next problem, you're welcome to do so. You have like exponents. Also exponents and rational expressions. And you have factoring. And if you're in the middle of the homework set and something comes up where you have to leave what you're doing behind, if you have done none of the problems or if you've partially completed and you want to get back to it and you don't want to lose any of your work, just click Save for later. And it will remember your attempt.